Hey guys, construction worker here because, well, David just knocked out the Austin fella and, Ian, but I think he's coming back. I think Ian's coming back to avenge the Austin fella. So, if you want to know what happened previously, then, go watch the past videos. There will be a playlist. There should be, like, a card on the upper right corner of the screen. Because last time, the previously part literally took up 1/3 of the video.
Action. Did I lose him? I've been running forever.
You forgot I'm at B.
Huh?
And me.
What the heck? Why do they only find me?
Because I literally saw you run all this way. I'm not dumb.
Me neither.
Fine, I'll do whatever it takes to get rid of you.
Like how? You gonna save me? You can't. Right, what's your name?
My name's Ian.
Right, Ian?
Yeah, I make sure you never get saved.
Man, you guys are so dumb.
You're the dumb one for thinking you can save me.
Yeah.
Let's get this hobby over.
Alright, let's go, Trevor.
Wow, Ian, your teleportation actually worked.
Yeah.
Wow.
I know.
Alright, I'm out of here.
David, hey David, I'm the one that trapped you in that bowling alley earlier, and that little Austin fella, and now you're gonna be next. Get back over here, man. This dude is so dumb, thinking he can save me. Wait, Ian, wait, come back. We have to wait for the. I think it's only fair that we wait for the David fella. All right, he's over here.
I was already here when you started. I was almost already started.
Some of this acid is safe, but not all of it.
Let's not step in the acid, okay?
Oh my gosh, my camera. I will avenge the Austin fella. I corrupted him, but then, David fella kind of knocked him out. But hey, at least the Austin fella, corrupted Ian, right? So good to have a new recruit. I just love corrupting people. We all do. Come on, David.
You say corrupting is so cool and
These
fun.
doors are locked. Me must hide somewhere before the...
Oh no. Oh no.
Why? Would you like to buy a lightsaber? Alright. Me must hide somewhere before the teachers find us in here. In here! Boys, go in here. Let's hide in this fried while the teachers are on the break. The break. Alright. Last part, Austin's recording kept stopping, so let's hope it doesn't happen this time. I think it's gonna happen this time. And hoping it's not gonna do anything.
You think you're so good at hobbies when you that mobile? I'm on PC and I'm pretty good. I think I'm even better when I'm playing on PC.
I think in part 3, Yippee, the Austin fella said that he said he can make it past Obby's first try. Or, wait, Obby's first try? Oh, it's like Tower of Heck.
Yeah, you fall once you die. I mean, you die once you fall. Or maybe, you know, it's kind of both ways round. Would you like to buy yourself?
A pet of yourself? Whoa, Ian,
like
you're in
to
the
buy-
lead now. Alright.
Oh my, I can't do this.
Wait.
This game sucks. This game absolutely sucks. You guys are literally on the other floor.
Oh. You can't go backwards. I'm trying. No, we just... No. I'm trying to go back
Nope.
to him.
You're so dumb for thinking you can go backward.
And you're so dumb for thinking you can save me.
That, you can't say I'm dumb for the same reason twice. Okay? That's just stupid. That's just dumb of you.
Oh, I can do this. I did it. Do you not know how to do tight ropes?
I'm more of a sword fighting guy.
Mm-hmm. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Come on. No! Here, this is how I do tight ropes. Oh, never mind. Ian, stay there. Just stay there.
Okay.
That's why. Ow.
Fine.
Since,
Since it's only fair that I help him, because like I think David is like a friend of Ian. I don't know how I know all this. You're supposed to walk forward. Here we go.
I think you're supposed to do a more platform.
Hurry. You keep risking it. Hurry. Alright, keep walking forward and then turn left. And then yeah, climb up the ladder. Alright. I'm resetting. So I can spawn all the way back up there.
Okay.
Alright, now jump on the eggs and the eggshells.
Those are some rotten eggs.
Alright.
Alright.
Alright, you finally made it. Alright,
Okay.
now you always have to go over here. Would you like to buy Zombify?
Look, I can do these, I can do these kinds of...
Come on, boys. Let's go. Wait, I think this is the... Oh, y'all were fused for a second. Wait, where... Come on, he's gonna beat us. No, I'm not getting teleported. Oh, there we go. It was lagging. There's one giant hole in this maths book. Yeah, I don't have time to read that. The other boys are ahead of me. The corruption will not give up. No! I must avenge
Just like
Ian.
I.
I must avenge Ian. He was a good corrupted fella.
Okay.
Now I have to avenge him by trying to beat David.
Alright, time to open this door.
No! Hurry, Ian. He's getting ahead of us.
Okay. Oh no.
Go. Are you
Go
laughing? This is a PE course. The coach coded the floor and Sips didn't. Yeah, whatever. Alright. Gotta jump on these tires. Man, I'm getting... what do I say? I'm getting tired. I'm getting tired of David thinking he can save me. Aren't you, Ian?
And I'm tired of thinking that you guys think you're so good at obbies. Oh.
We're getting closer, David. We're here. Oh, I thought he failed at that stage, but he's now at the rock wall part. Like I thought he failed at the the hurdles part. Okay, now we have to jump our way down like that awesome fella did in part 1. One of these lockers. No, I'm all alone now. Let me in. Let me in. All right. Whoa, we shrunk somehow. What? How did we shrink? Did someone sneak a shrinking ray on us?
That was me.
Why? Hey, you're also small too.
Oh my. Yeah, I'm smart. I'm so smart that I snuck a shrinking
No.
rate in this game. I
like-
hate this game.
Would you like to buy Sci-Fi Ninja Star? Eh.
Of course not. He doesn't want to buy a sci-fi ninja star. A corruption ninja star.
I don't think
Give
there
him
are
what he
any
wants.
like corruption things that pop up whenever you like.
This game is absolute dog water.
Come on, come
Oh,
on.
I keep dying.
What stage is he on? He's what? Is he gonna make it?
Oh my.
What did? Oh,
This
oh.
game is absolute dog water. Let's just ignore that Ian is.
What? Where's Ian? He's at stage 27. He's leaving without us. Ian, we're still
I
tiny.
died. Okay. Alright.
You go
Just-
first. All right.
Alright.
Will the shrinking effect wear off?
All right, we are back. Head
Why
to
am
the
I
science
not? Why
class.
am I not big?
What?
Why am I not big?
Wait.
This game is lagging. Oh great! Now I'm all alone. The shrinking effect will never wear off. Oh, it wore off. It wore off. Okay, I'm back. I'm back to normal size. I'm now big. You wanna be big? You wanna grow big?
Ah, yeah,
Revolutions
yeah,
all
yeah.
the time.
I-
People changing the world with crime, with violence, anger, hunger, or whatever. I find that ridiculous, if not meticulous. I do my best to guard my own premises. All right, so we have to jump on these little thingies. No!
Oh my.
Y'all are at. Oh, I'm one stage behind than both of you.
Game's awful. Game is absolute dog water. Hey,
Let me through.
oh.
Would you like to buy a pet of a construction worker? Yay, two
Ooh.
construction workers. Better than one. Nah.
No. Quick.
Would you like to buy flamethrower?
No. I'm better at driving than you. I did it.
Wait, what?
I was almost
Hey,
there.
Wait, you're still at stage 29? I just floored it on. You have to floor it, or else it's not gonna work.
You have to boy?
You literally,
Oh, okay, I made it. Oh no.
you literally have to step on the gas.
Step on the gas
Okay.
now. Turn to the right.
Dang it!
I did.
All right,
No. I thought I could squeeze right through.
winners. Oh,
Yes, we made it up, but we still gotta, use a vehicle. Yeah. Okay, what vehicle do you use?
Ah.
Where's this one spawn? Okay.
Huh?
Get in the pickup truck, is that what it's called? If not, then I'm
Alright.
sadly mistaken. First try! I made it past their first try.
Alright.
I'm coming over there. Me and Ian are coming over there to corrupt you.
Okay.
well, I already made it, so
You already made it, huh?
yep.
You think you,
I won.
You think you're so slick? You think you're so tough?
Of course I am. That's
Ian-
why I.
Ian, do
That's
you
why.
believe him? Ian, do you
Oh.
believe him?
Oh, okay.
Ian, do you believe what? Do you believe a word that David says? Ian,
Okay.
Ian,
Why?
do you believe
I
a
was
word
guessing
that David says?
I know.
You don't know if you believe him.
Nobody.
Alright. Yeah. Just did the thingy. So Ian, is it safe to teleport us back?
Yeah?
Alright, on the count of 3, we get teleported. 1, 2, 3!
Action.
Alright, alright.
Ian, you're supposed to go
Alright.
first.
Zing!
Alright, we're back here to...
Back here now to save me. What, me?
Yes. You. Listen.
So with the ham.
You've been doing some terrible wrongdoing.
Doing some terrible wrongdoings and...
Well, dang it. We gotta
And I
What?
think it's time for you to get corrupted.
Oh. Nope, your reign of tyranny ends.
Ends here. Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm sure you constructed some good things. You probably also had some good friends.
Oh, I guess you're right.
No!
Hmm.
Yes, I saved you.
I'm back.
Yes,
I'm no
I
longer-
saved you.
I'm back. I'm no longer corrupted.
No, you ain't.
Oh no. I bet I did some terrible things. What did I do?
You corrupted us, which was.
Oh no. I wish you made all that up, but it's actually true?
Yeah, I hate to tell you that.
Oh crap. I gotta right my wrongs.
No, you betrayed me just because the buffet pizza was garbage. You haven't seen the rest of me. Yeah?
Well, he's gone. But quick, we gotta warn everybody.
Yeah, let's go.
We gotta warn everybody. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go warn everybody.
Yep, yep.
Oh, my head. Meanwhile...
Action. Action.
What is it? I'm awake.
David saved a construction worker. He's still working corrected.
Impossible! How?
Well, he's just doing him happy self. And he turned back. I don't know how.
Well, I'm gonna get them for that. I'm coming for you two.
Wait, where'd he go?
I'm somewhere.
To be
Be
continued.
continued. To be continued in part 7.
Yes.
What part is it? You know what part it is. It's part 7. That's coming
many
next week. Next week. Every week we post a corruption part. Yeah.
Okay.
How many parts are there? No one knows. I don't want to see decision.
18.
Okay.
18 parts. It is a full series after all, so we gotta make it more than like 5 or 10. So yeah.
Right.
To be continued. Stay tuned for the next part next week, coming next Tuesday. So yeah.
Why did you tell them how many parts are there?
What? This is what? What's wrong with telling the parts?
Well, there is nothing wrong in saying when no one said anything about much.
Alright, yeah, should we just end this video before my recording stops?
Yeah.
Why is the meat
Yeah.
out?
Alright, to be continued.